In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a folder in Google Drive, whether you're collaborating on a project, need to share documents with a team, or simply want someone to access your files. Sharing folders on Google Drive is efficient and straightforward. Let's walk through the steps to get you sharing in no time. First, you'll want to access your Google Drive. Open your browser and head over to the Google Drive website. Ensure that you are signed in with your Google account to access all your files. Once your Google Drive is open, you're looking at your file storage where all your folders and documents are organized. Now, find the specific folder you want to share. This could be a folder containing project files, shared documents, or any other set of files you need to give others access to. As you hover over the folder, you'll notice it becomes highlighted. Go ahead and click on it. This will select your folder, getting it ready for the next step in the sharing process. With your folder selected, look for the sharing icon, which typically looks like a person with a plus sign, or simply right-click to find the share option in the menu. A window will pop up, allowing you to add the people you wish to share the folder with. Simply enter the email addresses of those you'd like to invite, and you'll see their names or emails begin to populate in the list below. Once the recipients are entered, you'll want to decide how much access you want each person to have. You have three choices. They can be viewers, editors, or commenters. As a viewer, they can see and download the files but cannot edit them. If they're editors, they have full control to edit and manage files within the folder. Commenters can add comments to your documents without altering the actual files. These options give you flexibility to control the level of interaction others will have with your shared folder. After setting the permissions, take a moment to write a quick message if you'd like. This can provide context or instructions to the people you're sharing the folder with, ensuring clarity in your communication. Now you're ready to send the invitation. Click on the Send button to finalize sharing. And that's it. You've successfully shared a folder in Google Drive. By following these steps, you're able to collaborate seamlessly and keep everyone on the same page. Plus, with the flexibility of changing permissions, you have full control over the accessibility of your files at any time. Remember, sharing efficiently can enhance productivity, so don't hesitate to use this feature whenever the need arises. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.